Hi everyone, this is a short video on the really nice resource dashboard Borislav has made recently for Customer 210, which easily can serve as a blueprint for other customers as well. You'll find it in the 210 under the resource dashboard, and here are some of the great capabilities. First, the time period. You can either work with the start and end date, or you can move the slider and with this change the time horizon you're looking at, which might be very interesting for projects which are lasting very long versus a current view on what is going on right now. And with this adjustment you're changing all of the numbers as well, as you can see. So I'm moving the slider back and forth, and then you see that numbers are moving accordingly. So let's go for something like these financial years, and I need to go upwards, and now you see the quarters. Okay, you see the quarters Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, because this is what is in this time period. And now this button here is activated. Okay, if this button here is activated, you can drill down in any of the quarters. So if you don't do it, then it just highlights and you wouldn't zoom in, but it would refresh all the data you see. And by clicking again on the column, you again see all of the columns. If you press this drill down button, then you go to one quarter and it goes into the 3 months of that quarter and presents the data, and everything else is refreshed. If you stay here and you now want to see the month of May, you click on that bar and then you see the 4 weeks which are connected to the month of May. And backwards again and downwards again, maybe looking into the June, and all the figures around you are updated as well. Okay, so this is, I think, a very smart way of drilling into a certain time period and then going upwards again. You can use the double arrow as well if you want to jump immediately from the quarter view to the month view, for example, and from the month view to the week view and backwards again. Or you can jump from here into this view as well if you want. So there's various options to go back and forth. Okay, so much to the time horizon. You see 4 numbers: the capacity, which is in the background, the demand, which is the line in here, approved and actual. So you can follow if your demand has exceeded the capacity, is the approved and the actuals, are they in line or not. And so with this you can have a lot of insights on your utilization, which is calculated over here as well. Utilization approved versus capacity. So it's not planned or it's not actual, but it's approved versus the capacity, and the still available capacity as a result of this 75%. You can use any other filter as well. So if you're interested only in looking at the demand management in that certain period of time, then do so by clicking on the demand management. Or you're interested in the demand management and only in myself for this time period, and then you would see, whoa, the utilization of myself is a bit too high. Where do I work on at this one project, which is currently in the prioritization phase. Okay, so if I click back on Hannes, everything is back there, and then I can go to the next team and see what's up there. The NPV works according to this list, so all the projects involved have the NPV, the people, and the utilization, and you obviously can play around with these numbers as well and filter for any of them on top of the other filters, or you just take off the other filters and just go with this filter, and then everything else applies. Okay, so that was just a quick snapshot. Either you're interested in the people involved, then the utilization here tells you a lot of the things, or you are interested in the teams, or you are interested in following up on the projects. So these 3 levels, people, teams, projects, are very well displayed in this dashboard with a huge flexibility, and I think a really good appeal for our customers. Thanks.